Everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you a very useful Photoshop trick, how to paste your drawing or artwork onto a wall so it looks realistic and natural. The first, you choose Object Selection tool and choose Select People, Apply. Choose Move tool. Press Ctrl J. Choose Hue Saturation and choose Prominent Colors. Choose Object Selection tool. And choose Brush tool. Choose Rectangle tool. Open Layer tab and reduce opacity. Choose Convert to Smart Object. Press Ctrl T. Hold Ctrl key and adjust the corners. Press Enter key. Double-click to Smart Object icon. Drag and drop artwork. Press Enter key. Press Ctrl-Shift-S. The next, choose Multiply. And choose Blending options. Hold Alt key. I'm done.
Before and after. Don't forget like this video, and thanks for watching.